How to delete call history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete call history on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically delete your call history on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. If you open up the phone app and then you come to the recents menu, you can see different sort of people you've called on the recents menu. And if you would like to delete a certain person, you just have to swipe left from that person and then you'll find the trash icon that you can find here to delete that particular call history. But if you want to clear all the call history, again just swipe left towards any of the call history, and now you'll enable this option from the top that says clear. So when you tap the clear option from the bottom, you'll find the option called clear all recents, which you can then use to tap on the clear all recents option, and then all of your call history will get successfully cleared. This way you will be able to clear call history on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.